It's the versatility. I'm able to do so many things with my hair. You'd honestly be surprised. Hi, my name is Megan Williams, aka Simply Shimba, and today I'm going to be talking about my hair journey. I decided to go natural in 2015. This was when there was a mini explosion of natural influencers and just people sharing their stories. I resonated deeply with their stories, and I was so blown away because I really felt like I was being represented, because at that time I was still, trying to get my hair to conform, trying to get my hair to be straighter and flatter, and that's really not what my hair was all about. So they really helped me take the plunge and stop straightening my hair basically. But yeah, I was stuck with a lot of heat damage. Honestly, my natural hair journey has been so freeing. That's honestly the only way I can describe it, because I've learned so much about myself and about my hair throughout this journey. It's been a long journey. I definitely tried, trying to get my hair to look like other people I saw, and when I stopped doing that, I think that's when I truly embraced my hair. I really discovered and explored so many creative parts of myself, and it's been such an amazing but freeing journey. I really think that I learned so much throughout my hair journey. I got to know my hair really well and know what my hair can handle and what it needs to recoup after I've done my dyeing and my coloring of my hair. I definitely try and stay away from permanent hair dyes. If you know me, I love semi-permanent hair dyes, but I also love bleach. So yeah, but being able to do all those chemical processes without damaging my curls has been such an amazing experience, and I'm so grateful that I was actually able to figure out what my hair needs and to be able to understand that. I definitely think it was a bit of both. I definitely had a lot of support. I remember the first day, I was still in high school at the time. First day I got to school, and everyone was just so shocked. They were really shocked to see my hair, because I don't know, that was such a big change for me. So I definitely had a lot of support, especially in my family, and I definitely experimented a lot, but not initially. I was super scared to do anything that would damage my curls for the first few years or so, and then I sort of relaxed into it and started experimenting a lot more. So I started experimenting with hair colors, and it's been such a fun experience. As you can see, I've clearly been experimenting, but I definitely think this has been my favorite color. The purple was fun, and the temporary colors were fun as well, but this is definitely my favorite color. I feel like this is me. When I went natural, I didn't big chop. I actually transitioned into this that you can see, but I definitely had heat damaged hair, and I slowly started transitioning and cutting off the straight pieces. And I think I kept cutting my hair for a few years or so, just keeping it short so that I would have the maximum volume. But then I realized, if I keep growing it out, I can still get the volume if I just shape it correctly. So it took me a while to learn the ropes, but yeah. Thank you so much for listening to my natural hair journey. I'll see you guys in the next video.